How to fix 72-hour restriction when deleting Snapchat account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Snapchat. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. If still you are getting the issue, you can completely delete the Snapchat, press and hold on it, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then download it. Next up, you can report to the Snapchat support team. For that, launch your Snapchat, navigate to the profile, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner, scroll all the way down. Now head over to the option Help Center. Once you're over here, you can scroll down and click on the option of Contact Us. Submit a request, you can click on the option I want to delete or deactivate your account. I can go through these terms and conditions of Snapchat support. Click on here option. Now you will get the form. You have to fill out that. There you have to explain about the issue as well and send it. With this, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix 72-hour restriction when deleting Snapchat account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.